Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to teach you quickly how to find your trigger points and how to navigate this really cool site, triggerpoints.net, that a lot of massage therapists use for finding trigger points and learning where all the trigger points are. So you're just going to go to triggerpoints.net and you can actually search by the map. So the map actually just allows you to point and click to the area that you're feeling pain in. Okay, so you can either search that way, or you can actually go to the muscles and click on the muscles that are bugging you if you know the names of the muscles, right? Or you can also go to symptoms. So if you're feeling lateral knee pain, you can click on lateral knee pain. So lateral meaning on the outside of your knee. So you're having some problems there, you're gonna be able to click on the symptoms and start looking at trigger points that way. Once you've actually identified what area, so let's say we're going with just the map, let's say we've got some back of the arm pain, you're going to click on the back of the arm pain link and you'll see all of the trigger points that affect the back of the arm. And I know this seems really complicated right now, but if you actually just open up each one, you can see, all right, this is the muscle that's being affected. And when you press down on this area here, you'll start to feel the referral pain there. So that's what you're looking at here. These are the points that you want to look for in the body. And the neck is going to be a little bit trickier. You want to get a little bit more advanced at finding tender spots in the muscle and learning what it feels like to release that trigger point before you start digging into your neck too deep. But with just a tiny bit of pressure, you can start to locate some of these trigger points, and you'll feel that pain kind of referring up and down the arm. Now it's different than nerve pain, and in another video I'll talk about that and what a trigger point actually feels like. But this is kind of, the cheat sheet to how you can find trigger points in your body for all kinds of symptoms and all kinds of issues. So if you know you're struggling with some kind of muscular issue, this is where you want to head to first, triggerpoints.net, and then just click on the map and play around with this.